Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball account problem. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball problem, you should just go to the app of settings as you see. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to this window of 8-ball. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, we click storage. Then we'll enter to clear cache. And after that, you can go to your Play Store and you will search about 8-ball. Then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.